Hi everyone, so welcome to Putrajaya, city and federal territory of Malaysia. Actually, we didn't make a video yesterday because I got a motion sickness after, in the cable car in Genting Highland. I'm so sorry guys, but today we are productive again. We're making video in Putrajaya. Putrajaya is located in West Central Peninsular Malaysia. It is situated around 25 kilometers south of the capital, Kuala Lumpur, and serves as the country's administrative center. So prior to the construction of Putrajaya, the Malaysian government offices were housed at various locations across Kuala Lumpur, with increasing the traffic congestion. However, the distance between the offices began to hinder administrative process. Consequently, the government resolved to create a new city where scattered offices could be relocated and reassembled to form a more efficient administrative hub. Basically, the Prime Minister's office moved to Putrajaya in 1999, while Kuala Lumpur continued to function as Malaysia's capital. It was the site of both Houses of Parliament and the first royal palace. Putrajaya gradually expanded to include the Federal Court, the second royal palace, and many other administrative buildings. It was declared a federal territory in 2001. Putrajaya is managed by a corporate body that controls its development. It was built on the former sites of rubber and oil palm plantation, and now Putrajaya was developed as a garden city. It has an expansive meandering man-made lake and many areas devoted to the parks, botanical gardens, and wetlands. And in front of it, the Putra Mosque or Masjid Putra on the lake near the Prime Minister office opened in 1999. So guys, basically behind me, this is the human-made, lake. And that's over there, basically, the government offices. And that's the bridge connecting the government offices and the parliament offices over there, and connecting also to the mosque, the Masjid Putra. This is how it is on the weekend. And some people also, having a river cruise, as you see over there, the ticketing office. And I saw that some people are doing kayaking, the water sport. As we walk around, it seems like there are not many shops open, only few shops open, like small restaurant, and that's the playground. So yeah, that's it. Now we will go to the Masjid Putra. Let's see, are we allowed to go inside and see? Because many people said that inside the Masjid Putra, which is, you can see from here, pinkish, roof. And probably inside also pink. I'm not sure, but let's go.
I look like a prince of Persia in this outfit, like a computer game on PlayStation. But seriously, the first visit for me into the mosque, deep inside. I never been inside the mosque. I've been here last time, but they didn't let me in. But now I'm with my wife, so maybe they let me in. This is beautiful, huge Moroccan Persian style mosque with the all pinkish color. Have a look inside. How does it look like? Meanwhile, that's my outfit. You have to dress like this one or having a long pants and long sleeve. What I don't have, it is hot. Also remember guys, you have to take off your shoes when you are going to the mosque, similar like to the temples, right?
Let's go inside.
Okay, let's go inside. That's the entrance to the mosque, and security they checking if you follow the rules. Entrance for tourists.
What a big mosque and beautiful pink architecture inside the mosque. Wow, what a beautiful pink inside. Look at the ceiling. So the Masjid Putra, commonly known as the Pink Mosque, on account of its rose-tinted granite structure and striking pink domes, undoubtedly the most iconic structure in Putrajaya beside the green onion dome building of Perdana Putra. So the mosque is modeled after the Persian Islamic architecture of the Safavid period, with some design elements borrowed from other mosques around the world. And the mosque can accommodate 15,000 worshippers at a time.
Alright guys, that was the pretty nice experience here in Putrajaya. We showed you the government city of Malaysia, also the mosque and surroundings, what's going on around. Definitely worth to visit when you are in Malaysia. And as we are already in Putrajaya, we're gonna do the second try to find the biggest mall in Malaysia, which is IOI, Putrajaya.
We just arrived in IOI City Mall. They said the biggest, the largest shopping mall in Malaysia. Whenever you go to Putrajaya, I think these top three that you have to visit is first one, the Masjid Putra, where we were before, and then the second one, the botanical garden surrounded. I think that we show it on the screen because you know we were on the Grab on the way there. And the last one, this IOI City Mall, the biggest mall in Malaysia, they said.
Oh guys, finally air condition. If you wonder why I didn't talk too much, you know, when we were in Putrajaya, because it was too hot. For me it was too hot, that's why I said, okay, now it's time for the mall. IOI City Mall in Putrajaya, the biggest mall in Malaysia. Well, let's see.
At least here is much cooler. So yeah.
And yeah, I know mall again, but this is part of the culture in Malaysia, especially in Malaysia. Everybody talking about the malls. There is even some YouTubers who are making which is your favorite mall in Malaysia, and some people saying this one, some people saying as the Mid Valley or Sunway Pyramid and etc. There's so many malls here, but as you can see, it's definitely way more people here inside the mall than at the same time in the mosque where we were, or in Putrajaya in general, right? So that means something. And also, as I see the mall from outside, it's actually big. It's just you have to walk around so much and, well, so many levels and so many buildings connected, but it's actually pretty big. By the way, look at these decorations for the Chinese New Year and the swan, what is moving around. Actually so cool. Very nice mall, huh?
So one thing I realized in this mall also, there are so many luxury products, you know, like behind me, Guess, Lancome, Chanel, and also mixed with the local branded product here. Pack of people, look, everywhere you see it's just like people surrounding me.
Now we are somewhere outside, we are looking for toilet and we found out the Symphony Walk. As you can see around, it's a nice panorama of this Le Méridien Hotel, by the way, I didn't even know that. And it's like a park and so many nice restaurants everywhere around. Okay, but it's raining, start raining, we have to be inside the building, but it's nice here, I like it to be honest. Look at this seafood restaurant, actually under the sea restaurant, nice, with this all beautiful seafood here in the aquarium from the street, so everybody in the public can watch it without buying anything, like this huge crab or this lobster, nice. Very nice. Oh, these fishes actually are kissing right now. Check this out. Also quite many nice restaurants here in the Putrajaya IOI Mall. Some of them I never saw before, and meanwhile that's the outside. One of the entrance, one of many entrances actually around. Symphony Wall. They even have a restaurant here which is the banana leaf. Many people coming to Malaysia for eating banana leaf, so eventually we end up in the banana leaf restaurant. We're gonna show you the menu. It's a little bit tricky, you have to know what to order, and we're waiting for our food.
I don't know what it is
It's
actually.
not that easy if you don't know, if you've never been. I've been once, but my friend ordered for me, I never ordered, so.
So now I will show you the menu. The name of the restaurant is OBL, Original Banana Leaf. For those of you who have been asking us how about the banana leaf, so this one is the place, and I'll show you the price basically.
Yeah, this one is with the breads. I took the breads because I don't eat rice, huh?
Yeah.
But you can have a banana leaf set for 10.90, which will come with, we're gonna show you, and then you are taking meats by pieces and with fish, chicken, seafood, stuff like this one. So we have to wait, but the price is like this.
So yeah, more price, right? It's not a street food price with the tax also.
Yeah, 6% tax in Malaysia, right? Okay, let's wait for the food, and meanwhile that's how it looks inside the restaurant. I'm gonna tell you, it's pretty busy actually, definitely busier than outside.
My banana leaf rice already arrived, so this is look like, this one is the fish curry, and this one is the chicken, and then this one is the banana leaf, and I don't know how it is the taste, and those are Damian's bread.
Yeah, my bread, I order one cheese and one chanai, but it comes on 2 plates, so looks like I have a 2 portions.
We
Okay.
got a big news today.
Okay, enjoy the banana leaf. That's how it looks like. Little bit of everything, and this is the Indian food in general.
Okay. Much nego, selamat makan.
Sayang, how's your first time experience with banana leaf, huh?
It's very nice, spicy and rich of the flavor. Like this one, I almost finished my rice, and this one, the chicken, I don't know, chicken paratel or something like you order for me, honey. I don't know.
I don't know, but
Spicy.
it's a little bit spicy, huh?
And rich in flavor.
Sayang, you still looks like feeling spicy after this meat, huh?
This spicy level is above than my babi guling in Bali. It's okay. We pay around 49, 80 ringgit.
50 ringgits, yeah.
So still much cheaper than your pizza, honey.
Yeah, okay, let's go more.
So here they have ice skating as well. And look at that. And I think that the mall is until the wings, no?
Yeah.
And then the brand new building also next door.
Yeah, so much is going on here. Okay, let's explore a little bit more. Look at this one actually, look at that.
Wow.
As you can see, so many Korean restaurants and the malls inside, and here is some nice
Wait,
restaurant.
wait. There is a distinctive Balinese flavors.
Oh yeah, this is the Balinese restaurant lah. Unbelievable, huh?
I don't want to go here lah.
It looks like this, a Balinese restaurant. If you don't know, my wife is coming originally from Bali, Bali born, so it's nice accents, and 7 years in Bali.
Look at the way they dress up. It's actually for the men, they also wear udang, you know, you see?
Yeah, with the udang and everything, but the ladies not wear dressing Balinese.
And they have something nasi campur.
Yeah, okay.
Look.
Nice, let's explore more. Mall is big. They have a nice lights here and another lobby of the mall and decorations. Decorations pretty the same with this one, but the lobby and everything is actually very impressive. And I'm gonna tell you honestly, as I like this mall. IOI City Mall in Putrajaya is nice, and of course I like pavilions, both what I visited in Bukit Jalil and in Kuala Lumpur in general, in Bukit Bintang. But this one is also very nice. So my personal recommendation, that's malls. I'm not into One Utama, as I mentioned already, but those are nice. And well, let's have a dessert and let's go home. I will show you later also how to get by bus and the metro back to Kuala Lumpur, not only by KLAR Express or Transit.
So basically, I think that we got lost. This one, I just look at the map, so huge mall. They have a west and they have east, and then we are here basically.
Very big mall in general. And check this out, the list of the businesses here, the shops, is like huge. Unbelievable. Okay, let's find this and the bus station, huh? We are in the basement parking area, actually like 3 levels under the ground, looking for the free IOI bus. Unfortunately, nobody know if it's going or it's not going. It's already 15 past 8. It's supposed to be at 8. The staff don't speak English here. So still room for improvements. We have to take a Grab going to MRT Kajang. So I like the mall, that's true, but still pavilions, malls
In Bukit Jalil?
with Bukit Jalil have a better service because they speak English and their bus is actually on time. So, you know, like that. Comprehensive review, I'm honest with you guys. While waiting for the Grab, what's gonna cost me 18 ringgits go to the metro station because of the bus don't driving. They have a nice decorations for the rabbits.
Alright, so we just arrived in MRT Kajang and then we will go to Pasar Seni, and then from Pasar Seni we will change into what is it called, honey? Going to Ampang Walk.
Ampang,
and then go home, take bus.
Long
What a
journey, huh? Anyways, Kajang Klein is very nice because also here is the KTM train where you can go to Port Dickson, but you can take it also on KL Central or Pasar Seni, in many locations also. Very quiet in general. This is the first of the last station of the Green Line, Kajang Klein. The station is pretty new. We're going to pass Damansara, obviously, because like I already said, this train is finishing and starting here. It may be a little bit confusing, right? Because you're starting here and you can go up to Damansara, platform 2. So we're gonna go home. I hope so you enjoyed our video today from the Putrajaya.
So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. I'm already tired.
See ya, take care guys.